Hello everyone, welcome back to Manita's cooking classes once again. Today I brought you the recipe of coconut barfi. So let's get started. Here I have took a kadhai. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of desi ghee in it. Let it melt. So after it is melted, we will add 2 cups of desiccated coconut powder in it. Now roast it while continuously stirring on low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now as you can see, it is roasted. Now we will add 1/4 cup of condensed milk in it. Mix it well. Now we will add half cup of milk in it. We will add the milk gradually as per our need. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of green cardamom powder. Mix it well. Now add half cup of sugar in it. You can adjust the quantity of the sugar as per your own taste. Now here I took a rectangular mold for setting the barfi. I am applying some ghee on it so that our barfi does not stick with the mold. Now we will place the mixture in the mold. This is only half the mixture. Other half I have kept aside. Now we will set our barfi with the help of a greased spoon. And it's done. Now we will keep it aside, and the other half of the mixture that we have kept aside, we'll take it and add 2 to 3 drops of pink food color, as today I am going to make a double colored barfi. So now our pink colored mixture is ready. Now we will place it over the white mixture that we have set in the mold. We will spread it evenly. And it is done. Now we will let it rest for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, you can see our barfi is set properly. Now we will cut it into our desired shape. So now I have plated it. You can see how much nice our barfi looks. Now I will show you its texture. You can see how much soft and moist our barfi is. Friends, this is a must-try recipe. So, if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon of Manita's cooking classes. Friends, thank you for watching it until the end.